Hello and welcome back to Home Design Inspiration and Ideas, your ultimate source for all things beautiful in home decor and design. Budget-friendly vintage farmhouse cottage decor. DIY ideas for every space, 2025. Vintage cottage farmhouse decor is all about charm, comfort, and a sense of history, but you don't need a huge budget to bring this cozy style into your home. With the right DIY touches and a little creativity, you can transform any space using secondhand finds, simple upgrades, and thoughtful styling. This look is warm, welcoming, and filled with character, making it a perfect fit for every room in the house. From painted furniture and weathered finishes to soft floral fabrics and reclaimed wood accents, the cottage farmhouse vibe feels both relaxed and refined. It celebrates imperfection, embraces simplicity, and adds a touch of nostalgia that never goes out of style. It's less about perfection and more about creating a home that tells your story. In today's video, we're sharing affordable ways to bring vintage cottage farmhouse charm into every space. You'll see how to thrift with intention, create your own decor pieces, and repurpose everyday items to suit your style. We'll cover ideas for living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and even entryways. So no matter where you start, you'll find inspiration that's easy to apply. So grab your notebook or just get cozy and enjoy the inspiration ahead. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a fresh new decorating idea here on Home Design Inspiration and Ideas. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these budget-friendly tips gave you the confidence to create beautiful, meaningful spaces without spending a lot. Whether you're styling a cozy nook or refreshing an entire room, charm doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Until next time, keep designing with heart, creativity, and a love for the little details that make a house a home.